Hey Soul Tribes, this is Solstice here. Anti-aging foods and herbs can help you feel naturally young at any age. A prime factor in helping you to feel young is having a healthy immune system. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my coconut curry soup recipe and explaining to you the immune boosting properties of each of the ingredients. You can find my recipe in the description below. Coconut milk contains many beneficial compounds such as lauric acid, antimicrobial lipids, and capric acid, which have antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Orange flesh, sweet potatoes, and carrots are one of the richest natural sources of beta-carotene, a plant-based compound that is converted to vitamin A in your body. Vitamin A is critical to a healthy immune system. Consuming ginger and turmeric daily will gradually ease the pain in your body because it's anti-inflammatory. It also helps to lower cholesterol. The compound curcumin found in turmeric has amazing age-defying properties. Curcumin can fight free radical damage and suppress inflammation, which contributes to cardiovascular disease as well as I said before, with pain in your body. For me personally, I take turmeric every day so that I can feel so much better in my body. I feel younger, my joints aren't stiff. I feel a lot more energy when I have turmeric every day. Red lentils are a great plant-based protein. Onions are packed with immune-boosting nutrients like selenium, sulfur compounds, zinc, and vitamin C. Onions are also prebiotics, which are the fibers and carbohydrates that your healthy bacteria in your gut need to thrive. Instead of sauteing the onions, I put the onions in the middle of the boiling process so that they're not overly cooked and they maintain most of their natural prebiotic benefits. Cayenne is also an anti-inflammatory because it has capsicum in it, which is an antioxidant as well as an analgesic, and it keeps your body strong and healthy. Raw vitamin C that you get from the natural limes is so much better for you than when you take a supplement which has citric acid or ascorbic acid, which are synthetic chemicals. Fresh basil and limes help restore the body's natural pH levels and feeds healthy bacteria within the gut microflora. A healthy gut flora is awesome for increasing your immunity. If you would like other recipes in my immune boosting series, click on the link above. If you got some value out of this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching Soul Tribe, subscribe, and be notified.